What's up, guys? This is Neo Switch Gaming here, and I'm gonna do a pack opening. Sorry I haven't been uploading lately, as always, but I'm gonna make it up by opening 2 of these key players packs. And yeah, that's about it. But in like 6 days, I'm gonna go to England. I'm probably gonna do a lot more videos there because I can now play more European football or soccer, whatever you call it. But anyways, we're gonna open up 2 of these with 3 million coins, which I really don't care about. Like, I really don't. But as you can see, you have Mbappe, which is a really good card to get. You have Lozano. I don't really like the strikers. Varane is a good card also. Maybe Conte or Modric. And De Bruyne. And also him, Okocha. I don't know how to say his name. But those are the cards I really do want. But let's just get on with the pack opening. So, our first pack, we get a palm point. Kinda, okay, so we got Mbappe, but not the one that we wanted. Okay, I'm sorry if this is gonna be short of pack opening, because okay, let's open this again. That's the least I can do. I didn't see what it was. Gosh. What did I get? I forgot. I think I got a pawn token. Yep, I have 2. So, I can't get one of these players. I wish I could've. But I will try to get back to those amount of coins. But anyways, these are the players we got. Oh, Hazard. Oh my god. I didn't realize we got Hazard. I mean, that's a really good pull. 87 overall. We also have Berkey, Mbappe. And that's pretty much it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys later. And wait. But I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna this is not my team. It is, but I'm not done like completing it, if you know what I'm saying. But I'm not done with the team. I'm close to completing it, but I'm not there yet. I just need I'm just doing this National Heroes event. You could literally get so much profit if you do the Asia and Africa. There's guaranteed profit. You just have to be on every day. But it's kind of too late if you didn't know about this. But seriously, you can get this card. It's only 5, and it costs like 5 million coins. And plus on top of getting these, like 500k. There was one with 500k, I remember. Or maybe not. You can also get training XP. And gosh. But this is an overall good thing to do if you've been doing them. You could do Europe or the Americas to get James Rodriguez or Gutse, but if you want coins, just go for Benatia. I might be able to do the Icon one, which I really want to do. But if I can't, then I'll just do Benatia. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. And again, sorry for the short video. I promise I'll do a longer video next week, hopefully, when I get to England. And I'll see all you later.